Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am making a very popular Indian veg dish, Shahi Paneer. This is little rich and creamy texture, but trust me, you will love it. You can serve it with naan, roti or paratha. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more notifications. So let me show you how I make Shahi Paneer. For this recipe, let's make the masala first. Heat up the pan, keep it on medium heat. I am adding 1 teaspoon oil. You can also use butter if you want to. Now I am adding 1 medium size roughly chopped onion, 1 medium size roughly chopped tomato, 2 pieces of broken green chili, 5 to 6 pieces broken cashew nuts, 1 teaspoon melon seed or charmagach, 6 pieces of almonds, and of course 1 teaspoon shahi jeera. After all, we are making shahi paneer. Some whole garam masalas, 1 bay leaf, 1/4 inch mace or javitri, 1/4 inch nutmeg, jaifal, 2 pieces of green cardamom, khadi ilaichi, 1 piece of black cardamom, badi ilaichi, 1 inch cinnamon stick, darchini, 2 pieces of clove, long, 1/4 teaspoon black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 1 teaspoon garlic paste. I am adding 1 piece of star anise chakrapul. Now mix it well. If you don't like garlic, no problem, you can skip it. Now add some water. I am adding 2 cups of water. We don't need to add anything else. Just put the lid on and cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes on medium to high. It's been 15 minutes. Now turn off the flame and remove all the whole spices. We don't need them to make a paste because they make a strong flavor. Okay, now let it cool completely, then we will make a smooth paste. It has cooled completely. Into this mixture I am adding 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. If you need to add water, you can add very little, but I don't think I need to add water. Now I will make a smooth paste. Our Shahi masala paste is ready. Here I have taken 400 grams paneer or Indian cottage cheese. You can buy the paneer from any Indian grocery store. I have already cut them into medium cubes. Now we'll make the gravy. Let's heat up the pan. I am adding half tablespoon butter. Now I am adding 1/4 inch cinnamon stick, darchini, 2 pieces of cloves long, 2 pieces of green cardamom, khadi ilaichi and 1 piece of black cardamom, badi ilaichi. Make sure the heat is on medium low. Now we'll add half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. This will make a nice color, but do not overcook it. Now add the masala paste. Keep stirring for few seconds. Before adding the yogurt, turn off the flame and wait for few seconds. I am taking 1 tablespoon yogurt. Beat it little bit. Add into the gravy. Mix it. If you follow my channel regularly, then you will have seen that no matter what dish I make, before I add yogurt, I always keep the flame very low or turn it off completely so the yogurt doesn't cut off. Now turn on the flame and keep it on medium low. And 1 tablespoon fresh cream. Mix it properly. I am adding 1.5 teaspoon salt. Salt according to taste. Now add some water. I am adding 1 cup of water. Half teaspoon honey. You can also add sugar if you want to. Pinch of garam masala powder and 1/4 teaspoon crushed kasuri methi or dry fenugreek leaves. That's it. Now mix it very well. Finally, we'll add the paneer cubes. Now put the lid on and let it cook for 2 minutes only on medium-low heat. It's been 2 minutes. Shahi paneer is ready. Now turn off the flame. Let's dish out. Garnish with some fresh cream. Hope you like this Shahi paneer recipe. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.